Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. It's Grant here, and just a quick video, quick audio, if you're on the podcast, to let you know that the 30-day bootcamp course, 30-day starting in Te Reo Māori bootcamp course, is now open for registrations. Yes, you can jump on right now. Check out the link down in the description of this video, of this audio, and you'll find the link to go and register for the course. Now, the course starts on the 14th of February, so that's only a couple of weeks away, and it's going to be awesome. I've already put this out on email a few days ago, so we've had quite a few people register already. There is a cap on numbers, so please, if you are interested in joining, if this is something that you've been thinking about for a while, if it's something that you want to make a commitment towards and towards achieving a particular goal this year in Te Reo Māori, then this is the course to join. It is for beginners. It is for absolute noobs, absolute newbies, whether you've done a couple of Reo classes before or you've got absolutely no experience whatsoever. This is for you. Maybe you're a parent sitting at home wanting to learn more for your kids. Maybe you've got some issues that you've got to deal with about not learning in the past, and now's the time to learn. Maybe you're from overseas and you've come to New Zealand and you're thinking about coming to New Zealand and you want to learn a little bit more about the culture and the language, then this is the course for you. Don't just trust me, don't just believe me in saying this. Jump over on YouTube, jump onto my Starting in Te Reo Māori YouTube channel and look for the playlist called Testimonials, or just search on YouTube Te Reo Māori 30-day bootcamp course testimonials, and you'll find heaps and heaps of testimonials from awesome people that have done awesome and incredible jobs going through this course, and they've just absolutely accelerated their journey into Te Reo Māori. What you can think of this course is a bit like condensing about 6 months worth of content, 6 months worth of lessons down into 1 month. So we're going from what would possibly take you up to 6 months and trying to and absolutely nailing it in 1 month. Now, it's not easy. It's difficult. Takes a lot of commitment, takes a lot of hours. It can be easy to fall off, but if you can commit fully to this, you will be absolutely blown away by how far you are able to go in just 30 short days. In fact, something that I say to every single cohort is come, and this is when they first start, and I get them to talk about, where they're at on their journey, what they understand, what they don't. And I say by day 14, you will be blown away. You will be blown away. Now, one of the activities we do is every day we focus on a particular show on Māori TV called Ōpaki. And it's part of our activities that we do in being able to watch and listen to and learn Te Reo. And there's a lot of people on day one go, bro, Ōpaki, not for me. It's 100% in Te Reo Māori. I don't understand it. I can't do it. And I have to say, keep persisting. Just keep going with it. I promise you, day 14, it will make a whole lot more sense. And without fail, day 14 comes halfway through the course and they're just like, Grant, this is crazy. I know so much of what's being said. I don't know all of it, but I can follow along now. I can now follow along, and there's gaps. There's now gaps. It's not just one big gap that I don't understand at all. There's lots of little gaps now because I'm starting to fill them in. And the gaps that do exist that I don't know, well, it's actually really easy now to go and fill those in just by doing a little bit of research, being able to follow along with the context of what's being said. And it's all through doing this course, making that rock solid commitment to getting the work done every single day. So if this sounds like something that you want to do, if this is something that you've been thinking about making a commitment towards, come and join me. You would have heard on the last couple of episodes, the last few videos on YouTube, got a whole bunch of new technology going on back here, new technology stack. No more Facebook, no more Messenger, no more Zoom. We're on Discord. Don't worry, you don't need to see it in detail here, but we're on Discord here. We've got our bootcamp, the content delivered through a dedicated online portal. No more Facebook, no more worrying about getting on Facebook to do the mahi and, some crazy video pops up and I get distracted. No more of that. The environment that we've now got online to do this course through is distraction-free. It's distraction-free, it's simple, it's easy to use, it's effective. It's anonymous. It's as anonymous as you like. Whereas Facebook, you know, some people are like, oh, I don't really want to share this because it's, you know, it's for all my private family stuff. Don't need to worry about that anymore. You don't need to worry about your Facebook. You don't need to use your Facebook because we're using these two platforms and they are incredible. I would not have spent tens and tens and tens of possibly even hundreds of hours trying to get these things set up if I thought they didn't work. I get that right. If I thought they didn't work, they work. 100% they work. And I'm telling you, you will love it. You will love it. It's a fantastic experience. Check out those testimonials. I've had hundreds and hundreds of people have completed this course over the last few years. It's been refined along the way. This is just another refinement. This is just another progression in the development of this course, and it just keeps getting better and better. So if you're ready to make the commitment, if you want to jump on, if you want to start In Te Reo Māori, if you are starting In Te Reo Māori, then this is the course for you. Come on, let's get it done. Link down in the registration, link to register down in the description of this video, of this podcast, wherever you're watching, wherever you're listening to. Please check it out. Registrations will close towards the end of this week. Spots are limited. We've got heaps of people already signed up. There's already a heap of people in the Discord there. So if you don't want to miss out, you got to get on in the next few days. All right, that's it from me. We'll talk soon, and I can't wait to do this journey with you. Kia ora.